know we playing. You hear it. You hear it.
Getting money. You know that we be on it. We be on it. You know that we be on it. We be on it. You know that we be
Shouts out to LPAP.
Man, that shit blaze in the streets right now. We be on it. That shit blaze in the streets. I'll vouch for that. You know, the great vouch for that. That shit, man, we be on it. You know, come on, man. Every morning, that's like my coffee. I'm waking up to that. Yeah.
I'm stepping on their necks. Looking on the best.
Ooh.
Better pay me my respect. Rishi Wallace with the text. Cause you can't tell me shit. Not a clown, but my posse stay on insane shit.
Rain
shit. On this track with Gunna. All white blood with my presidential stunners back for seconds. Motherfucker. AP. Get lapped by these speedy motherfuckers. AP, this in the blue right here. Yeah.
Give me guns on place, and I ain't talking Brandon Roy. I'm still here, feet planting on the pavement. I'ma focus on the, you ma focus on the, I'ma focus on the, you ma focus on the. Don't fuss with a bitch unless I put it for a high, get in spaceship.
We be on it.
That was AP, it's in the clue.
That's what
hey, 100% goon though. 100% goon though.
Most definitely.
100%.
Definitely with the move.
We'll get your ass ran up on early, like 4:30 in the morning. Come on from club drunk, early, nigga. I run up on niggas early.
I'm drinking that young label.
LP 50% the clue. The other 50%.
I'm drinking that motherfucking label. She's on her motherfucking cash flow, whip game proper.
Yeah, she sitting
on them dudes' foes.
Riding through her city.
Yup.
You know we locked and loaded.
Okay.
Got that DR sitting pretty. Just a nigga wanna pull it. Loose blood shots, catching straight bullets. Loose lips, I'm through with no time for the fool. Shit like always. Ha! I'm riding with a bad bitch. She got a bad bitch.
They make a sandwich.
Oh yeah, I'm on my stuntin' hard. Blowing purple cloud, smashing down the boulevard. Purple on my motion. Never taking losses cause a nigga too cautious. Taking deal over small shit. Yeah, it's glue and soda pop. Cool. You ain't fucking with us. Nigga, get a room cause we all about that paper.
Okay.
Do 6 and G.
Okay.
Up with LP, tell them.
You eat money, be on it. We be on it, you know that we be on it.
We be on it, you know that we be on it.
We be on it, you know that we be on it.
You know that we be on it.
We be on it, you know that we be on it. Live from the goons, SoTa Pop Goon, Air Hardy. Hey yo, Young Gunna.
Street nigga, ain't no handouts in this bitch. If it don't cost money, then I don't want this shit. On the block, we're prepared, never slipping, never scared. Keep the llama for the drama, mama, keep me in your prayers. Connected in the game, staying stuck like you getting money over here. I don't know about you. Gunna in this bitch, and it's about to go down. No more penitentiary bars, I'm back on the streets now.
We be on it.
This winter's about to get colder. You know how it get up
Here in Minnesota.
Real October. Yeah, bitches freezing. I'm about to get paid. Ain't no trick, just treating. Niggas still breathing, talking this and that. What you gon' do? Something, get that air off your chest. And I'm a hot mess.
Goddamn fool.
You know what it is.
Hey,
SoTa Pop Goon, we be on it.
Hey, you know that we be on it.
We be on it, you know that we be on it.
We be on it, you know that we be on it. We be on it, you know that we be on it. That's my outfit. We be on it, you know that we be on it. We be on it, you know that we be on it. We be on it, you know that we be on it.
Oh, party. We at the party.
SoTa Pop gOoNz TV, mint quicks. You already know how we get it in. Got that label in the cup. You know.
Hey. SoTa Pop gOoNz TV.
It's on the CD. Number 4.
We gonna play this motherfucker for you.
Was there enough for another one? It was just one.
Man, yo, look, yo.
Look good.
Man, come on, man.
Oh.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
Chill.
Hi.
D-Dub the Great, get up.
Something like a dream. I'm a phenom. Extravaganza's in when the liquor and the weed gone. Weighing up a stain, soda light on the skis on. Something like a dream. I'm a phenom. Hey. Giants like King Kong. I am such a phenom. Short for phenomenon. Looking like a beast. With my stunners on, monster in the club, monster on the avenue, a shadow if I'm after you. Do what I have to do, click, click, bow, wow, out, Nick Cannon you. Have you with the catheter, smelling like you passed your food. Nasty ass nigga looking nasty with a nasty grill. Have you drill, dill, facing towards the daffodil. You bastard, this is so good, I only popped half a pill. Aren't you quite popular? My swag's in the clouds. See me, you need binoculars. Gotta hit them wherever it hurts. Heavy metal fireworks and the worst in my shirt. But I came to get big corner smoke with a bad little BS. That's your shit in a purse. Cause I am something like a fiend. I'm a fiend. Trying to get us in when the liquor and the weed gone. Giants like King Kong, weighing up the stain, soda light on the skis on something like a dream. I'm a phenom, extravaganza's in when the liquor and the weed gone. Giants like King Kong, weighing up the stain, soda light on the skis, light on the street. Man, that is a skizzle. Blinded by my swag, so I wrote it down in Brazil. If you don't hear this, I got close capition, you don't. And that's another capitan. I'ma make the savage rap. Fuck all the politics, practice street politics, politic with politics. D-Dub the great man, I'm only getting better. Southside Savior, Maniac Mandela, Bad Boom Bananas, the boy so gorilla. Chin check your chick, a silk can and chitchilla. I'm so phenomenal, marijuana domino. I know the snowman, not the abominable. Destroy you niggas down the pebble, sorry local niggas, but we spittin' on a different level. FLG. Wish you niggas would bitch slap you up in case you get this shit misunderstood. Something like a pain. I'm a phenom. Extravaganza's in when the liquor and the weed gone. Giants like King Kong, weighing up the stain so the light on the skis on. I'm a phenom. Extravaganza's in when the liquor and the weed gone. Giants like King Kong, weighing up the stain so the light on the skis on. D-Dub the great, man. The phenom himself, man. I'm a phenom, man. I'm phenomenal, man. Everything I do, man, I leave the crib with $0, man. Come back with a 1 in front of 3 zeros. You know what I'm saying? Do the math, man. Use your decimal points in the comments, too. D-Dub the great, man.
You know where we at. Let me see something.